Irrigators Portal, known as the Portal do Regante, was created by EDIA to support Alqueva's customers in their agricultural activity. The portal offers a public area and a private area accessed by a password. Through the portal, customers can see the listing of their properties, the plots they registered for each campaign, and invoices issued in their name with payment status, in addition to water readings and consumption. Beyond information, the portal also provides a set of tools covering technical and economic aspects for the customer's own crops. Examples include weather forecasting, irrigation advice, simulation of crop accounting, simulation of land suitability, and even a comparison between estimated values and the volume of water actually consumed for a customer's individual crops. Weather data covers the previous 7 days, and forecasts are for 5 days, from a set of 12 weather stations available for free consultation. Users can download this data for 3-month periods and use it in their own irrigation control systems. In the invoicing area, all issued invoices are accessible along with their payment status and can be downloaded in PDF format. Customers can also consult their own energy profile and see whether there are opportunities to save on the costs of water supply by watering at times when the cost of energy is cheaper. As for water consumption, several indicators are available to show the efficiency of water use in cubic meters per hectare and euros per cubic meter. It is also possible to see all water consumption readings at each delivery point, providing farmers with all the data used in the elaboration of their invoices. Finally, a presentation is created that compares the water consumption per hectare of each crop with reference values. Users can also define irrigation plots, make simulations according to FAO methodology, and get a simplified weekly schedule of irrigation water needs. As for precision agriculture, a range of indicators can be consulted based on images from European Sentinel satellites, offering several indicators for each plot, such as NDVI and water stress. A simplified version of CZAP, the Technical and Economic Aptitude Simulation Engine, is available on the Irrigators Portal, allowing the simulation of any plot for selected crops. Users also have access to several predefined crop accounts, according to data gathered by EDIA, and which can be used directly or as a basis for building customers' own crop accounts. Here, there is also a simple revenue and cost simulator that allows customers to quickly visualize the impact of any changes. To sum up, the Irrigators Portal, known as the Portal do Regante, gathers the essential information about individual consumers of the Alqueva irrigation system in a single place, in a simple and fast way, through a logic similar to a virtual help desk. There is also a version available for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. The Portal do Regante, or Irrigators Portal, is a valuable tool for supporting decisions.